Wala nangyayari na pag nagsumbong talaga na napapasa. So, same goes with the...
It goes to everybody from substations to police stations, to cities, to provincial, to municipalities. It goes without saying sila ay dapat oras na may lumapit sa kanila. Hindi nila bibitawan unless na merong tamang resolusyon na ibinigay ang police doon sa problema nyo. Okay?
Sir, may hear now from the passengers of the